What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to make a comparison between Wix versus GoDaddy. Which one is better in 2024? First, I'm gonna start with Wix. Wix is an all-in-one platform for creating websites for small business owners. It offers a method of registering and building a website without advanced coding skills. Basically, Wix features drag and drop functionally to build your website from hundreds of templates or from scratch. They include tools for restaurant appointment, bookings, online ticket, sales, stores, and everything outside of building your website. You don't need any additional things like advanced technical knowledge because they host the website on its own platform, so it's really easy. The most two significant drawbacks of Wix are its cost, and for those without basic website design skills, a system that makes it easy to build websites that are not great looking or easy to use. Because building a website with Wix can be challenging sometimes, it offers a premium service to connect business owners with professional designers who can build or improve your site for an added fee, which is still fine. And websites built with Wix are also logged into Wix platform and cannot be exported to outside. Now for the website hostings, if you want to leave Wix, you must rebuild your own site from scratch, which might honestly be the only problem of Wix. And now let's talk about GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the largest internet company offering domain names and of course website hosting. Website building features in general using GoDaddy plus website building features. In general, using GoDaddy, you can pick and choose which services you need. For example, if you get your domain name and hosting from GoDaddy, you still have multiple choices using the website builder. You can create your own website with the drag and drop or hire a designer. Just like Wix, it works with WordPress and other supported CMS systems. On the pricing side, it costs about $10 per month. Hosting options is really good in general for this price. GoDaddy will surely win on this point because Wix, even though they have a lot of plans and everything, it's still much more expensive than getting something from GoDaddy. And of course, the free plans are generally closed. And Wix might even win this one because their free plans offer a lot of stuff and features. So I'd say that they are very close on that part. The only thing that actually differs a lot is the customer support. GoDaddy will surely be with you for 24 hours over 7 days, operating chat support and of course call options. So in conclusion, which one is better? I would say that it is not which one is better. It is which one is better for you. And only you can answer this question. If you want to take the website domain and use it everywhere, GoDaddy will be a good choice. Wix also is still a top choice for business owners who want to manage their website in one place and don't want to learn a lot about building or managing a website. But if you want something which is more flexible, so GoDaddy will be a good choice. If you are looking for the good price, also GoDaddy will be a choice. If you are looking for many templates and a lot of good features, Wix is gonna be great, but you still have a decision to make. So you can try both and choose which is better to you. And that's all. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.